Yeah, if you have a 71 Charger RT or a 72 Charger Rallye, then you have these taillights. And people that have these taillights, they know that these reverse lenses tend to crack. To buy new lenses, they're $450, $500. So if I was doing a numbers matching big block 4-speed car or something like that, even a numbers matching car, I would probably just buy the reproduction full lenses. But what I'm going to try and do is, this is a lens that OER sells. It's for a 71 Charger, just a basic Charger, the reverse lens. They sell the lenses by themselves. I want to say they were 70 bucks for the pair. So I'm going to try and make this work, and I'll let you know how it goes. Here's the part from OER, 71 Charger backup lens. I checked and they were $86 for the pair of them, including shipping. So my first idea was I was going to cut this section out here and then somehow put this right there in that same area. But after looking, this part almost fits perfect. The holes actually line up. The shoulder is a little bit bigger than the opening. I mean, just a tad. I thought about maybe grinding it down, but I think what I'm planning on doing, because that fits in there pretty nice. So my plan now is I'm going to cut this off about here, and that way I'll have plenty of mountings for the taillight lenses themselves, and then this will have its own mounting points here for the reverse lens. So that's my plan for right now. That may change, but that's the plan for now. Here they are, cut, cleaned up, and ready for install. Looks like it turned out pretty nice. You can see here, looks like this right here, somebody actually tried to cut this out and put a little lens in there. Looks pretty bad. So, and this one here, as you can see, has a crack there, but I think after I put these in, it's gonna look pretty much perfect. And there you have it. And instead of spending $500 for a new set of lenses, spent $86 for some 71 Charger reverse lenses, and they fit in there really nice. Unless you really look close, I mean, you can't tell. I would say the only thing that you might have to watch out for is the lens is smaller than the opening in here, so it doesn't meet up with the gasket. The gasket goes around the hotel light. This is inside the gasket, so even if you try and put a gasket behind there, it's smaller than the opening, so it wouldn't matter. So the only thing I can see is when you wash your car, just probably be careful back there so you don't get water in there. Not that that's probably a big deal, but that would be my only concern. Other than that, I think it works pretty nice.